Hi students, welcome to my channel. My name is T. Rajshekar, working as a lecturer in civil engineering from SRS Government College, Sicily. So today I am going to teach you the subject of transportation engineering, subject code 18C 305, third semester. And today's chapter is Unit 4, Highway Construction and Maintenance, and today's topic is Maintenance of Roads. Objectives: on completion of this period, you will be able to list the common causes of damage of WBM roads and explain the preventive methods of damages to the WBM road and explain the method of patch repair work to the potholes and ruts and explain the need for resurfacing of WBM roads. So these are the topics today we are going to learn in this unit. Okay. Once we revise, in the previous class we have discussed the materials used in WBM construction and operations in the construction of WBM roads and machinery used in each operations, and in this class we will discuss the maintenance of WBM roads. So for every road there will be a maintenance that we have to know. As a civil engineer, we have to understand the concept of roads and how the structure of roads and what is the use of the roads and how the maintenance will be done. So coming to here, road maintenance. So road maintenance, bringing back the damaged road to its original condition. The main concept of the road maintenance is, you can see here, bringing back the damaged road to its original condition. Why maintenance? Roads made of earthy materials and traffic and weathering conditions cause deteriorating effects with continuous uses of road. Obviously we need the road maintenance. If you think on an example, why will do the maintenance for any vehicle, just like our bike or any car? In order to we are using daily using purpose, and if we maintenance the bike or any done with the car or anything, it will get the life cycle period of the vehicle. So here also a road, if you do the maintenance for a road, the life cycle span of the road will increase, and when we are going on the roads, so it will be safe for our journey and it will not cause or not make any accidents. So that's why we have to done the road maintenance. So components of road maintenance, what we will have, you can see first coming to here, surface maintenance and roadside drainage. Surface maintenance, we have to clean the surface whatever present on the top of the road, okay, just like dust, paper or any vegetable items. Okay, if we keep the clean, it will be good for the road maintenance. And next, roadside drainage. If the drainage is full, we have to clear the water. Okay, and shoulder and approach, and we have to check the shoulders and approach for the strength and durable of the road. And next, snow and ice control. So this will be having in the foreign countries, we can see. So in India we don't have this snow and ice control, but moreover we can see in India also some places like Delhi, Agra, in Katlan, okay, some places we are having. So their roads will be not visible at the winter seasons. Okay, so they will be clearing and maintenance the roads. And next is bridges maintenance. So obviously when the road we construct, we will be connected with the bridges also. So road bridges also will be there. So for the bridges also we have to do the maintenance. If not, the bridges will be breakable or collapsible. And next, traffic surface. Traffic surface also we have to take. Why? Because we have to control the traffic by maintaining the road maintenance. Okay, so these are nothing but road maintenance. And you can see these are the some road maintenance diagrams, so which are doing the patchwork when the road is breakable or when this road is so this is the stop symbol. You can see when the road is under the maintenance, they are taking the safety precautions for our vehicles, and these are the symbols of roads warning road is under maintenance. Okay, so these are all nothing but maintenance of road. And this is also road repair request. You can see these types of symbols while we are going on the road. Roadside premises, these types of boards will be informative signs will be provided. Okay, so here maintenance of WBM road. What are the materials used for construction of WBM road? Let us see: coarse aggregate, screenings, binding materials, gravel. So obviously these materials are seen we are daily on our daily life. And basic principle of construction: broken stones of the base course and surface course, if any, are bound by the stone dust in the presence of moisture. You can see these broken stones of the base course will be available at the quarries. Okay, and main causes of damage, or why the damages will be happen to the roads: heavy mixed traffic. So if we design for the 100 vehicles of road, and day by day our population is increasing and the vehicles are also increasing. So as over we are designed for the moreover the vehicles, but the heavy loads which are causing heavy traffic, the roads will be damaged. And next, adverse climatic conditions just like rain, heat, okay. And next, improper drainage. So drainage facility problems will occur, also causes the road damage. And next, different situations that cause damage to WBM roads. So what are the situations mainly causing? In dry weather, dust is formed, okay, and during rains, mud is formed, and fast moving automobiles raise dust in dry weather, churn up mud in wet weather, and steel tired bullock carts cause deterioration of roads. So this is also one point main. You can see the bullock carts also traveling on the WBM roads causes to the damage to the roads. This obviously a civil engineer must know, okay. So that's why bullock carts are not allowed on the WBM roads. They should be travel on the only coarser grade CC roads, okay. And you can see what are the effects of damaging factors. Washing of the soil binder from the surface by the rainwater, okay. And next, loosening of the stone aggregates on the surface layer, and damages to pavement edges, and formation of potholes and ruts. And potholes are nothing but wall-shaped depressions on road surface. These potholes and ruts, longitudinal depressions along wheel paths. These we are seeing in our daily life. You can see, okay. Obviously, I will show the diagrams also. So remedies. What are the remedies we have to do? Replace the soil binder periodically after monsoons to arrest the loosening of coarse aggregate. Okay, in monsoon season we have to replace the soil by repairing the road. And repairs to road edges and shoulders. We have to check the edges and shoulders and what we have to do done. Okay, and next, spread a thin layer of moist soil binder and compact by rolling. So we have to spread the thin layer, then we have to sprinkle the binding material. We have to compact by the roller or any hammer machine. Okay. And next, patch repair work to potholes and ruts. So these are the images I will show for you. Dust nuisance can be prevented by providing bituminous surface dressing coats over WBM pavement and spraying of dust pellet fields. So spraying of dust pellet means if any just like any spraying machines or any, okay, for cleaning the dust. Okay. And next, patch repair work. Cut out a rectangular shape of the defective area and remove the stone up to the affected depth. Fill up the patch with coarse aggregates of the same size, mixture of the old aggregate and new aggregate, and compact it till 1 cm above the general pavement. Further compaction takes place by traffic. Apply wet soil binder to fill up the interstices and ram again. So these are the points which are to done for the patch repair works. Okay, I think you understand. So you can see, explain the diagram. Repair work to pothole is, you can see, so this is the top layer and this is the bottom layer, and this is the pothole where we have it. Top layer exerted to full depth. If it is like this, we have to cut in that rectangular shape. Okay. And next, if pothole will be the top view. And next, we have to enclose the rectangle cut for filling material. We have to fill the material. New material file to full depth of the top layer. Okay. These are the materials we have to fill. So these are the diagrams you can see. So this is the pothole. These are the potholes regularly we can see. And this is potholes concreting, which are repairing. And this is potholes material filling. Okay. And this is potholes compacting. So if we have any roller or we have with any machinery or any equipment, we have that. Okay. So this is the process of doing the potholes repair. Okay. And next, resurfacing. Extensive failure needs resurfacing and increase the thickness of old surface if needed during resurfacing. So resurfacing is also a major thing. If you see while we are going on the roads or in buses and cars, on the road itself they will be doing another road. So that is nothing but resurfacing. So why this resurfacing we done means increasing the thickness of old surface if needed during resurfacing for the gradation. And you can see this is another diagram. Winter time road maintenance. Okay. So you can see this will be cleaning with the one blade will be there. So this is in the winter time they will be doing. Okay. So finally summary. Mixed traffic and adverse climate condition damage WBM roads. Potholes and ruts make the road surface unsafe, and potholes and ruts can be repaired by patch repair works. Okay. Examination questions are: how do you prevent the loosening of the aggregate from the WBM road surface, and list the steps involved in patchwork work of potholes and ruts. Okay, so this is the maintenance of the roads. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.